Did you know that email marketing has the highest return on investment of all forms of digital marketing? If you want to learn how to increase revenue for your business using email marketing, watch this video for my 3 best tips on what's working right now. And here's a hint. It's not sending email newsletters every month. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, welcome. Be sure to stay tuned all the way till the end of the video, and I'll share with you how you can get a copy of my brand new ebook that offers a proven method on crushing your goals in 2019 with email marketing done right. For the best digital agency tech hacks, be sure to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a brand new video every Wednesday. I don't know about you, but when I first set up my website, I was so concerned about getting traffic that email marketing was an afterthought. I'm Kate Murray. After working for 14 years in corporate and agency marketing, I've helped hundreds of businesses grow their revenue through email marketing done right. And now it's your turn to learn the tricks of the trade.
First things first, in terms of email service platforms and how to determine which professional email marketing service is the best provider for your needs. Let's check out a quick blast service comparison. There are 4 really popular services for the small business owner, and they are MailChimp, Constant Contact, iContact, and Aweber. If you're just starting out or your business is grossing less than $250,000 a year in annual revenue, then your best bet is Aweber. The reason I like Aweber is because it's easy and intuitive to use. It integrates well with all different platforms, and the pricing falls right in line with a business who's just starting up. While MailChimp is free to begin with, you would still have to pay to have the branding removed, and then you'll pay again once you get to a certain number of subscribers, and the dashboard is not as intuitive to figure out how to tag your subscribers. This is the most important part of email marketing automation, so it needs to be easy to figure out. The 2 biggest email service platforms for larger businesses, such as those who are grossing between $250,000 and $5 million per year, are HubSpot and Infusionsoft. With this quick look at Infusionsoft, you can see that it's a little old and clunky. I used Infusionsoft for 3 years before I discovered HubSpot, and I have never looked back. HubSpot is light years ahead of Infusionsoft in terms of email marketing automation and incorporates a super easy to use dashboard that provides metrics, social scheduling, keyword research, and smart automation. What exactly is automation?
Email marketing automation simply means that you write and schedule a series of emails which are specifically designed to move your reader to take action. In other words, they're thoughtfully and carefully written because ultimately you want the person reading the email to buy something from you. It doesn't really matter if it's a physical product, a service, or a digital product. What matters is that the automation is sequenced to line up perfectly with the buyer's journey and the sales funnel. It's kind of like having your best salesperson talking directly to your customer through email.
Here's a pro tip. If you send an email campaign and some of your subscribers do not open or click on the link in your email, you should not resend another email on the same topic again a few days or a week later. That's exactly how not to do email automation. Email automation tools are designed specifically to follow the sales funnel. So if the hook or the subject line and the copy doesn't specifically relate to your subscriber's exact point on their buyer's journey, then the campaign is just not going to produce the results you're looking for. Want to learn more about this topic? Check out my ebook, The Power of Email Marketing. Not only does using an email automation tool save you time, it helps bring focus to your email marketing campaigns so that you don't fall into the trap of sending email newsletters.
Think about how you feel when you get an email newsletter in your inbox. Even if it's from a company that you love and that you do business with, you're just not going to take the time to read all those links in that email. To get the best deliverability and clicked open rates, be sure that you don't use any pictures in your email and limit the links to only 1. I know, It seems totally counterintuitive to what all the big email marketing automation companies are selling, which is their beautiful email templates. But the name of the game is revenue, and the reality is,
if your email doesn't even make it to their primary inbox, you have exactly zero chance of getting an open or a click in the first place. The first step is to make sure your email actually gets to the person that you're sending it to. And that's the reason why you don't want any links or images, especially in the welcome email. Tip number 3, your email should have one call to action. That counts as the one link inside your email. If you absolutely need to provide 2, make sure you do not give them more than 2 choices.
if you give your reader too many choices, they're going to be confused and they're not going to click anywhere. You want to give them one choice and one choice only. You want to do it your way? Go ahead. You want to make money? Give them one choice, one link. Capiche? What email marketing automation system are you thinking of using? Tell me about it in the comments below. Ready to learn how you can implement more of these techniques that digital agencies use to grow and scale their clients' business through email marketing? Check out a copy of my brand new ebook. You'll find a link in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel, because next week I'll be starting an all-new mini-series about the exact method that I used to double my website traffic within 2 months. And I know it'll help you increase your website traffic and grow your email list too. See you next time.